Web design has come a long way since the early days of the internet. For web developers and casual hobbyists, understanding the history of web design technologies is crucial to appreciating the modern web's complexity and versatility. This video provides a broad overview of key milestones, from the conception of HTML to the cutting-edge trends shaping the future of web design. The birth of HTML. In 1991, Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, introduced the world to the Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML. This revolutionary technology enabled the creation of the first web pages, allowing text and basic images to be displayed on the World Wide Web. Early web design was rudimentary, focusing primarily on presenting information rather than aesthetics or interactivity. The introduction of CSS. As the web grew, so did the need for more sophisticated design capabilities. In 1996, the World Wide Web Consortium, or W3C, introduced cascading style sheets, commonly known as CSS, a technology that separated content from design. CSS allowed developers to style HTML elements with precision, enabling more visually appealing and user-friendly websites. This separation of concerns also facilitated easier maintenance and updates to web pages. The rise of JavaScript. In the same year that CSS was introduced, Netscape Communications created JavaScript, a programming language that brought interactivity to the web. JavaScript enabled developers to create dynamic content that could respond to user actions without needing to reload the page. This development marked the beginning of a new era in web design, where static pages evolved into interactive experiences. The Flash era. During the late 1990s and early 2000s, Macromedia Flash, which was later acquired by Adobe, became a dominant force in web design. Flash allowed for the creation of rich, animated content and interactive applications, which were not possible with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript alone at the time. Iconic websites like Newgrounds and early YouTube relied heavily on Flash for their multimedia content. However, Flash had significant drawbacks, including poor accessibility, heavy resource usage, and security vulnerabilities. The advent of HTML5. Recognizing the limitations of Flash, the web development community sought a more robust solution. HTML5, introduced in 2014, became the new standard for web development. HTML5 offered native support for audio, video, and interactive graphics without the need for third-party plugins. Combined with the advancements in CSS3 and modern JavaScript frameworks, HTML5 empowered developers to create rich, responsive, and accessible web experiences. The impact of design trends and browser wars. The evolution of web design technologies was also influenced by design trends and browser competition. During the late 1990s and early 2000s, the so-called browser wars between Netscape and Internet Explorer pushed the development of proprietary features, leading to inconsistencies and challenges for web developers. The advent of standardized technologies like HTML5 and CSS3 helped mitigate these issues, promoting cross-browser compatibility. Design trends have also played a significant role in shaping web technologies. The shift from skeuomorphic design, which mimicked real-world textures and objects, to flat design, characterized by simplicity and minimalism, has driven the development of new CSS techniques and JavaScript libraries. Responsive web design, which ensures websites function seamlessly across different devices and screen sizes, has become a crucial aspect of modern web development. The rise of mobile web design. The proliferation of smartphones and tablets in the late 2000s and early 2010s necessitated a new approach to web design. Mobile web usage surpassed desktop usage, prompting developers to prioritize mobile-first design. Technologies like media queries in CSS3 and responsive frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation enabled developers to create websites that adapted to various screen sizes, enhancing user experience on mobile devices. Notable websites exemplifying web design evolution. Several websites exemplify the different stages of web design evolution. The Internet Archive, also known as the Wayback Machine, allows users to see how websites looked at different points in history, showcasing the progression from simple HTML pages to complex dynamic sites. Google's homepage, which started as a simple search box on a white background, has evolved to incorporate advanced JavaScript and CSS techniques, providing a clean yet highly functional user interface. Apple's website demonstrates the shift towards responsive and minimalist design, utilizing HTML5 and CSS3 to create a visually stunning and user-friendly experience across all devices. Current and emerging trends in web design technologies. Today's web design landscape is constantly evolving, with several key trends shaping the future. Progressive web apps, or PWAs, combine the best of web and mobile apps, offering offline capabilities, push notifications, and improved performance. Technologies like service workers and web app manifests are central to PWA development. Single-page applications, or SPAs, powered by frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js, provide a seamless user experience by loading content dynamically without refreshing the page. Motion UI, modern CSS, and JavaScript allow for sophisticated animations and transitions, enhancing user engagement and experience. Voice User Interface, or VUI. With the rise of voice-activated devices, integrating voice search and commands into web design is becoming increasingly important. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, AI and machine learning, are being used to personalize user experiences, improve accessibility, and automate design processes. Conclusion. The history of web design technologies is a testament to the web's rapid evolution from static HTML pages to dynamic, responsive, and interactive experiences. Each technological advancement, from CSS and JavaScript to HTML5 and modern frameworks, has contributed to shaping the web as we know it today. As we move forward, emerging trends like PWAs, SPAs, and AI promise to continue transforming the web, making it more accessible, engaging, and efficient for users worldwide.